So this is a cream wax from 3M, and its price is written 918, but on Amazon I have got it for around 500 rupees. So this polish or the cream wax, you can call it, like, I have been using for last 2 to 3 years, and it definitely gives a very high gloss and streak free shine. So it comes with a wax and the sponge applicator and covered with a plastic cap. So it is definitely very good product and useful product for maintaining your vehicle and keep it shiny, and it does provide little hydrophobic coat on your vehicle. So when the rain comes, the water displaces quickly and doesn't give any stain on your vehicle's body. So this is definitely worth, and I will definitely show you how the vehicle looks like after cleaning with this. So I'll put the products link in the video description. You can definitely purchase this, and this is of course from 3M, and it is a good brand. So thanks for watching this video. Do like this video and share my video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.